Want to get USDC on Arbitrum but not sure where to start? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get USDC on Arbitrum, the cheapest and fastest way. We'll answer the top questions, compare withdrawal options, and do 2 live demos, including how to withdraw from Binance and how to swap on ChangeNow. Let's get straight into it. Yes, Arbitrum fully supports native USDC and it also supports bridged USDC.E. Most apps today prefer native USDC because it's the official Circle issued version. So when you add USDC to MetaMask on Arbitrum, you'll see 2 tokens sometimes, but the one you want is USDC native. Yes, MetaMask accepts USDC on Arbitrum, but you must add the token. The way to go is to find your Arbitrum One token address, USC20, and use it for transactions. Later on in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how this works. There are 2 easy ways to get USDC on Arbitrum. Option 1. Withdraw directly from an exchange. Some exchanges support direct USDC Arbitrum withdrawals. Option 2. Swap your USDC on another network into USDC on Arbitrum. This is common when you use a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask. And now I'll walk you through both. So let's start with the demo from Binance. In this demo I'm going to send USDC from Binance to MetaMask and I'm using the Arbitrum One Network. This is very important because the Arbitrum One Network is currently way more cheaper than the ERC20 network, which is default for Ethereum. That's very important to know. So if you withdraw this USDC from Binance to MetaMask, these withdrawals will be way more cheaper. I'm going to show you how this works. So as you can see, I'm here on the Binance website. If you are using the app, you have to find the withdraw button and click on it. I'm going to withdraw and click on it. The next screen will be reloaded, yes. And here it will ask you to select a coin. In this case, it will be USDC. Yes. And then you have to withdraw it to MetaMask in our case. So in this case, I'm opening my MetaMask wallet and will find my USDC withdrawal address here. You can find the Arbitrum One USDC address straight under your account. You see networks and click on it. You see view all and then scroll a little down and then below you'll see Arbitrum here. This is the network you need and the address you need to copy. So I'm going to copy this address to the clipboard and paste it on Binance in this text box. Then, very important, like I said, instead of ETH Ethereum ERC20, you can see the fees are here currently 120. We're going to choose Arbitrum One, where fees are only 20 cents. That's way more cheaper. So I'm going to select this one. Then the amount. And this is what I'm going to withdraw on Binance. Let's find out and see how this worked. And here is the result. My 11 USDC from Binance has been sent to MetaMask on the Arbitrum One network. It took me less than a minute. So let's continue with using funds outside decentralized exchanges like Binance. If you have funds in a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask, you're gonna need this website called ChangeNow. It's also an exchange, however, you can swap tokens by using non-custodial wallets. The big benefit is that there are no limits anymore and you can swap any token and it doesn't matter where you live in the world. Therefore, to get USDC ETH to USDC on Arbitrum One, we need this website or app. Next, I'm going to explain how exactly this swap should be made here. Okay, let's start with making this swap. First, I have to select USDC ETH. Okay, let's fill in USDC ETH. Okay, it's loading. Then USDC for Arbitrum One. Where is it? It's here. Let's make a swap of, let's say, 500 USDC. Yes. You can see that amounts are automatically being calculated and also there's a little fee involved. It's a very small fee. I'm okay with this and I'm going to confirm. Good. The window reloads and there's extra transaction details being asked. So yes, that's fine. But I see here the recipient wallet. That's very important because here we have to give the Arbitrum One Ethereum address, the payout address, because the exchange needs to send the 495 to this address. So how do we find this? Very simple. We go back to my MetaMask wallet, and when you're in the MetaMask, here under account there are all the networks available. Okay, click on it and then you have to scroll down a little bit until you find Arbitrum. And as you can see, the address of Arbitrum starts with 0x, means it is an ERC20 address. Use this address for the recipient wallet. So we copy this. Now we go back to the ChangeNow website and I paste this address, this checkbox. You see it's being checked. Okay, there are agreements. I'm going to confirm this. So now what you have to do is send 500 USDC ETH to this address, which is the exchange address. So in this case, I would have to go back to MetaMask again, find my Ethereum. It's loading. Use this address and send 500 USDC to the exchange address. When this, because here there's a waiting deposit going. When you send the 500 USDC to this address, then the transaction will start and exchange will begin. You can see a waiting deposit. It confirms when funds have been sent, and then it will exchange the 500 for 495 USDC, but on the Arbitrum One Network. Here's the recipient wallet again, and that's how it works on ChangeNow. It's fast. Within a few minutes you will receive it on the proper blockchain network. And that's how to get USDC on Arbitrum the easy way. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and find the link to the exchanges in the description. Thanks for watching.